giving me a little 80s rock and roll feel, a little 80s metal band, you know, the metal band. I like the idea of wigs for so many different reasons. I love the fact that the taboo around wigs has kind of been dismissed. This concept that if a person wears a wig, they don't have any hair. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do. I've seen it where they have more hair under the wig than the wig itself. So it's really cool that wigs have become normalized, and among all races, among all people, anybody can wear a wig whenever they want to, even if their natural hair is beautiful. I have to say, my personal opinion is most of the time their natural hair is just as beautiful. The thing about wigs though is they allow you to change up without having to change your hair. You can do different, you can experiment with different hair colors with wigs, hair textures with wigs, hair lengths with wigs. If you want to cut your hair, which I'm about to order a short wig because I've never worn one before, I don't really want to cut my hair right now. I've cut it before, super duper short. I've let it grow really long, but right now I'm liking the length that it is. But if I'm having a short hair day, why not just wear a wig?
Are you almost done?
Mm-hmm. Nothing to speak of. I know that my wig reviewers often tell you about the wig and the name, so I'll give you as much information as I have on here. It says Lazefo, I think I'm pronouncing that right, silky Brazilian virgin natural color 16-inch straight wigs, 130% density, non-lace front. I think you saw in my last video that I'm not a lace front pro. This is a straight hair bang wig. It says human hair. It's not human hair, but good reviews on Amazon Prime. And lots of purchases. There were thousands of reviews, if I remember correctly. And most people, you know, had at least at a 4.5, which in my opinion is a solid B plus, even an A. So this wig, from what I can tell before I open it, is cost effective. It is popular. It's something that people are buying. And ease of use, I'm all about ease of use. Being a busy mom of 4, and you're gonna get tired of hearing me say that, but time is of the essence. Even right now, there's someone knocking on the door needing me to do something for them. So if I'm trying to get dressed, look nice, look decent, but I don't have a lot of time to do it, maybe this is the way to go. Here we go. This is the next package after this one goes away. And even the next package. One of my favorite reviewers always talks about the zip top bag. All right, so this is 16 inches. Much darker than my natural hair, but as a sidebar, I'm taking this net off as I talk. I find that natural black or natural hair color is the description that they often use, and I know that many of you probably do have naturally dark hair like this is your natural color, but this is not my natural hair color. I don't dye my hair. It's kind of a sandy brown. Some might even call it a mousy brown, but this is very dark in comparison to my natural hair. So we're just gonna have to see how it looks, I guess. So we're gonna look inside. This is one of my most favorite demonstrations. Apparently combs are a big deal. So this one has 1, 2, 3 combs and an adjustable strap. And no, 4 combs, I'm sorry, because there's one right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for extra security. I cannot guarantee that I'm gonna use all of these combs, as I've found in the limited time I've put on wigs that the combs are very uncomfortable. No matter how many times I adjust them, usually the only one I can take is the one right here and the one directly in the back. The side ones and even the ones at the crown are a little bit uncomfortable to me. So I think that's just a judgment call based on preference. I probably won't take time to do the combs. I'll just try it on where they need. Okay, I went on and did the back comb. And I feel like I look like Toni Braxton. Am I being overly complimentary of myself? All right, well, that's it. When you first put it on, I think I'm gonna have to go get a comb. Well, the bangs are long. Now that's where it is on the forehead, right? This is not a wig that I think you can put heat to, so I'm not even gonna suggest that. And then also, I think I look very interesting with dark hair. So don't laugh at my comb, you all. I'm just real. This is my comb. This is the one I use every day. It is really, really silky. You see that? Really, really silky. So it's saying it's Brazilian. I'm saying it's even more along an Asian consistency. I'm saying that we're gonna have to give the bang a swoop like that. And I'm saying that it's cute. I'm actually like, wow, that's way better than I expected. So I've had hair this length before, and my favorite thing to do is, that's what I do. I need a brush, hold on. Sometimes brushes save the day, but I'm all about brushing and blending. And the verdict is still out. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the bang, mainly because it's too long and I'm not gonna cut it. So let's just see what we could do without cutting it. The 130% density, which is a little thin. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit thin. Let's this side. Okay, there's that. Remember the braid wig? I absolutely love it, and I've worn it a couple times since that review. If this were a little lighter, I would love it. But as far as the cut, it's okay, and I can live with the shininess. That's also okay. I would caution to make sure it's pulled down real good like this, so you don't get that egghead. It's giving me a little 80s rock and roll feel, a little 80s metal band, you know, the metal band, the heavy metal band. It's giving me 80s, early 90s heavy metal band, which is okay because I liked them. Guns N' Roses was my favorite, so I'm fine with that. I just don't know if it's me. I've seen the reviewers. So I had a handy dandy headband, head tie, head scarf, waiting. So let's see if we can make it work. I was ready with my headband, and it's satin, so we may have a time trying to get the satin to stick to the super slick hair. Would like that look. I'm sure she would. She'd say, Mommy, that is adorable. Okay, I also have this huge bag of satin scrunchies that I buy for my kids. They are all about hair health, and so am I. So we have scrunchies of every color in the whole wide world. And they're really amazing. These also came off Amazon Prime. It was like 60 scrunchies for $11.99. So I'm gonna see if we can use the scrunchies to possibly do a different hairstyle. Give me a moment, guys. This is how I do my high ponytail. I hang upside down, and nope, that's not gonna work. Sure. That's not it. We can't do that. Oh, that's not too bad. Let you in on a little secret. Diana Ross is my favorite. So big wild hair, I've always loved. I don't have big wild hair, but I do like it. Between Diana and Dolly Parton, that's who I wanted to be when I was a kid. I wanted to be a cross between Diana Ross, Dolly Parton, and Crystal Gayle. Little known Tisha fact. I'm a side part girl anyway, so even my natural hair I wear in a side part. Yeah, I think we found it. That's it. Don't you all agree? I think that is the best it's going to be on me. Would I wear it? Probably. The cut would be the selling point for me personally, so I would wear it. I think all wigs have their pros and cons, especially as you're trying to find your flavor and your style. I have no reason to dislike it other than the super dark color. I could really even get over the silkiness of it if the color was probably a little more sandy, a little closer to my own natural hair color. I think we're gonna call it a score for today. Thank you for watching Tisha's World, and I'll see you next time. Here's something that I want to share with you. Be bold, be brave, and always try something new.